Did you know you can create a website and make money from it without spending a single dollar? In this video from Glimpse Pro, we'll dive into Blogger and show you exactly how to start, grow, and profit from your own blog, all from the comfort of your home. What is Blogger? Blogger is a free blogging platform owned by Google. It allows you to create a professional blog in just a few minutes. The best part? It's easy to use, fast, and gives you free hosting and a subdomain, no tech skills needed. And here's the real kicker. You can connect your blog to Google AdSense and start making money from ads. How to start a blog on Blogger? To launch your blog, follow these simple steps. First, go to blogger.com and sign in with your Google account. Second, click Create New Blog. Third, choose a name and write your first post. Fourth, pick a clean and attractive theme. Fifth, connect your blog to Google Search Console to improve visibility. Pro tip: stick to a specific niche like tech, finance, health, or cooking. This helps you build a loyal audience faster. How to make money with Blogger? Now let's talk about what matters most: making money. There are several ways to earn from your blog. First, Google AdSense. Once you start getting good traffic, apply for AdSense. Google will display ads on your blog and you get paid for every click. Second, affiliate marketing. Write product reviews, add affiliate links, and earn a commission on every sale made through your links. Third, selling products or services. If you have a course, an ebook, or a service to offer, your blog is the perfect place to promote and sell it. Fourth, sponsored posts. As your blog grows, brands may pay you to write about their products or services. Can you really make consistent income? Yes, but it takes time, patience, and effort. Success with Blogger doesn't happen overnight, but every post you write is a digital asset, and it can keep generating income for years to come. Tips for growing your blog faster: publish content regularly. Learn the basics of SEO to rank on Google. Use original images and eye-catching titles. Track performance with analytics and improve your content based on user behavior. Conclusion: Blogger is your gateway to the world of blogging and online income. Free, simple, and full of potential. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give the video a like and subscribe to Glimpse Pro. And tell us in the comments, have you tried Blogger before? Or are you thinking about starting today?